Well, hello everybody. Today I'm here to explain about my project Smart Answering Bot, which uses both LLM and VLM to answer the questions based on the given input PDF or a textbook. So, what is my project? My project mainly consists of two streams, one where the user gives an input as a textbook or a PDF document, which may contain PDF images or regular tables or any type of structured data, and also that which obviously includes text data. My project goes like this. Whenever a user or a student gives an input as a textbook or a document, what we will do is we will be taking the textbook, we will be passing the textbook into two parts, the image parsings and also text parsings. The image parsings will be fed into a Lava VLM, which is best in class, and the images will be spit out as a description of the images. Using their description and the text above the image and below the image, we will be making a dynamic hybrid vectors. These vectors or these chunks will be again fed into LangChain smart chunking. Or similarly, the text directly taken from the textbook or the PDF will also be fed into the same LangChain smart chunking. Both the image chunks and textual chunks will be fed into BAI, which is a Beijing's advanced embedding model, which will embed our data into vector embeddings and store them in the vector DB, which we are specifically using ChromaDB. Then, whenever user asks a question, first before answering it via the knowledge of the DB, we will be generating the hypothetical answer for the question, which will help us to get more similarity searchings rather than only searching for a question. Yeah. Then what happens is both the hypothetical answer and the question will be chunked again and embedded into vectors where we'll be performing the cosine similarity and keyword similarity searches in the ChromaDB and fit the similar vectors in the DB. And these hybrid vectors from the image chunks will also contain a specific field of metadata called as links, where we'll be storing the link of the images which we have stored in Cloudinary. Then these vectors will be fed into the LLM, which will be answering our questions. We have used Kaggle with ngrok to be our server, which helps us to run the VLM. So this image shows us the logs of the project where it is showing that the images are passing into the VLM and getting the response and also being vectorized and storing in the DB. Later on, we also can see the API calls which have made in the project and the response for the API calls. The response includes the textual answer, which is based on the knowledge of the textbook, and also the images related to the answer. For example, if I'm asking what is a grafting, we will be showing the what is grafting description for what is grafting and also the images of the grafting that are provided in the textbook. This is my project. Thank you.